Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the GE washer error code E46 on your 2025 model, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. Today, we'll break it down quickly so you can get your washer running again in no time. First off, what does the E46 error mean? In GE washers from 2025, this code typically points to a communication issue between the control board and the motor, or sometimes a problem with the motor itself. It might show up as a flashing light or a code on the display, indicating that the washer isn't spinning or agitating properly. Let's talk about the common causes. This error could be due to loose wiring connections, a faulty drive motor, or even a glitch in the inverter board. Other factors might include power surges, worn-out parts, or blockages in the washer drum that prevent it from operating smoothly. If you've recently moved your washer or experienced a power outage, that could trigger it too. Now, for troubleshooting. Start by unplugging your washer from the wall for at least 5 minutes. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. Once it's plugged back in, run a quick test cycle. If the error persists, check for any visible obstructions in the drum or around the agitator. Next, inspect the wiring harnesses connected to the motor. Make sure they're secure and not damaged. You might need a flashlight for this part, so grab one if you haven't already. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be time for more advanced fixes, like replacing the motor or control board. At that point, I recommend calling a professional technician to avoid any safety risks. Remember, always prioritize your safety when working with electrical appliances. There you have it, your guide to fixing the GE washer E46 error code. By following these tips, you should be able to troubleshoot and get back to clean clothes in no time. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.